Fetch may trend upward 4.4% by June 25, coin data flow indicates. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. According to the latest chart, Fetch has dropped 1.7% and is near $0.1698. Now it's time for the analyst's takes. 30 rates gives a forecast of $0.1669 by tomorrow, which would be 1.8% below today. Fetch might move up to 17 cents, according to coin price forecast. That's roughly 0.1% up. CoinLore notes the price could advance to $0.173, marking an increase close to 1.8%. Another forecast released by Coin Dataflow notes Fetch could push towards $0.1774, an estimated gain close to 4.4%. Finally, Gov Capital Collector expects a move to $0.1781 by June 25, a rise of 4.9%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. That's the end of the 5 calls. Let's carry on. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a drop of 1.8% and a gain of 4.9%, depending on the analyst. Ultimately, Gov Capital Collector predicts the top return with 4.9% gain in value by June 25. So it turns out you could make between $1 and $49 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Coin Price Forecast is leading the field with a forecast that carries a 98.7% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. Consensus modeling shows Fetch positioned for an increase of around 1.9%. Okay, let's open up the details. Consensus assessment puts the price up around 1.9%. That outcome means your capital might grow by around 1.9% as well. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $19 in return. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 96.8%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. 30 rates points to further downside potential. The outlook from Coin Price Forecast shows the price climbing further. Similarly, CoinLore projects the price advancing over the 3 days. The short-term stance from Coin Dataflow is also optimistic. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector anticipates the price gaining in the coming days. Analysts together suggest Fetch will lean higher over the coming 3 days. Summing up, 80% of projections indicate a tilt to the upside for Fetch. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. In the end, trading settled at $0.1742. In this round, most forecasts aligned with the actual market move. The best forecast in terms of precision was made by CoinCodex. Now for the details. The candle contained 3 forecasts yesterday. Regarding ROI, more than one analyst showed profit, with CoinCodex reaching 2.1%. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. For context, Coin Dataflow shows minus 6.2% ROI and $0.0138 accuracy. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow look across different cryptocurrencies compared to Fetch. Fetch ranks 4th among the compared assets, while Algorand projects 5.5% profitability. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and you can explore more coins and daily forecasts on my website. That's it for this one. If this content made your research easier, please hit like. It means a lot. See you in the next data drop.